Hello, welcome everyone. 78 Sports Cards doing 5 boxes of 2013 Playbook. This was on eBay. Alright, these are the participants and the teams you guys won. Good luck to everybody. Alright, 17 of you tonight. It is 10:01 p.m. August 2nd. Alright, here we go. First box. This is an older product, so this is the original oversized cardboard. But 4 cards per box. Looks like there's 2 booklets in here. So we'll start with the autos first. We got a Stedman Bailey. Just a patch, 22 out of 99 for the Rams. 22 out of 99. Marcus Wilson for the Bears out of 99. Marquise Wilson out of 99. 64 out of 99. Alright, booklet is for the Eagles. Matt Barkley patch auto, 39 out of 49. Matt Barkley, 39 out of 49. And a Nile Davis for Kansas City. Just 1 jumbo jersey. 186 out of 199 for the Chiefs. Also, guys, go hitless. I send something extra, a pack or 2, depending on how many teams you got. But you won't just get the index card, you'll get something else. Tyler Eifert, 42 out of 99 Mammoth jersey for the Bengals. 42 out of 99. Ronnie Smith for the Vikings out of 299. Tyler Wilson for the Raiders. Auto out of 199 patch jersey. 96 out of 199. And another Matt Barkley auto. 108 out of 271. Box 3. And if when you are here for the baseball, that's coming up at 10:30. A Matt Scott for the Jaguars. What else? He is 90 out of 99. Matt Scott. A Jared Cook for the Rams. This goes to St. Louis, LA Rams. 4 out of 5. He's in a Titans uniform, but it's stated Rams. 4 out of 5. Geno Smith, 1 color, 133 out of 199, Jets. Stephon Taylor for the Cardinals, auto out of 25. 25 out of 25. Stephon Taylor, Cardinals. I gotta get a box cutter. Pocket knife. It's sharp, but it's not sharp for thin paper and such. Alright, a Mammoth Geno Smith, 68 out of 99. Jets. Another damn Matt Scott for the Jaguars, 41 out of 99. Matt Scott. Dolphins, Deion Jordan, 1 color, patch auto, 179 out of 271 for the Dolphins. Nice hit. Yep, here we go. Pittsburgh Steelers, Le'Veon Bell, auto out of 49. Auto patch. Best rookie in the 2013 draft, 16 out of 49. Le'Veon Bell. Last box. I pulled a Bell out of 25 in Exquisite that we did on Monday. So that was pretty nice. And also a Ben Roethlisberger, I think also was out of 25. Like to see a nice veteran hit, hopefully. Well, it's not a Matt Scott, but it is a Jaguars. Ace Sanders out of 10. 6 out of 10 for the Jaguars. I think he's still in the league. 6 out of 10. Ace Sanders for Jacksonville. Out of 10 also, Arthur Brown. And we got a redemption in back of it. This goes to the Ravens, 9 out of 10. And the redemption is Tyler Eifert, Rookies Booklet Silver for the Bengals. I'm almost sure Panini, they'll probably honor it. Just send it in. I'm almost certain they'll take care of it. Or they may give you points, but I've submitted old redemptions and had no problem. Stedman Bailey, St. Louis. Auto, 19 out of 49. Auto patch booklet. 19 out of 49. And the Landry Jones. Jersey, one color, 190 out of 199. And that's it, guys. Thanks again. Thanks for joining. I'll get the car shipped out in a day or two. Again, if you didn't get any hits, I'll send something, pack. But that's it. If you're in the baseball break, I'll be coming up in about 20 minutes. Have a good night.